What's up, everybody? Just doing a quick update on my car. Haven't posted anything in about a month. Since my last video, I actually went ahead and got two more parts installed, two more performance parts installed. I got a custom intake made from a company local to me. It's a 3.5-inch intake, and I also added just a K&N filter. It's actually a pretty big K&N filter. Actually starts from here. Actually goes all the way probably close to the firewall in the back. It's a pretty big filter. And the company actually built a little heat shield to protect it from the filter from, gathering up, sucking up warm air from the engine and anything down here. So it was a pretty good design. Also kept the stock, part of the stock air box. I don't know if you can see it here, but shoot, you probably can't see it. But here's the stock, part of the stock intake. It's where this is where the stock intake box sits, and there's a pipe that connects to it, goes through the filter, and then goes back into the motor. So do get fresh air from outside. Air comes through here, through this pipe, and actually there's a gap underneath here, underneath the heat shield. So all this air is just going straight directly to the intake here through the filter. So it was a pretty good design. Added that, and also added the full race catback exhaust. I had a full race downpipe on my previous tune, and I added a 3-inch. Let me get some light. If you can see it right there, full race. And the only negative thing I have about this so far is I do get a lot of buildup in the bumper area right here. And it's happened only since when I added the catback. So I don't know if the cat's not filtering out the deposits or whatnot, or it's just part of having a force inducted car. When I had the stock exhaust, it did not do that. So it's just a pain because every 2 days, 2 to 3 days of just normal driving, everyday driving, I do get a pretty good buildup right here. Turns yellow and brown. And actually, after I take it for a spin, I have to go back, wash this off, scrub it down real good. So I just didn't want to keep the, permanently damaged bumper, especially on a white car. You could tell big time that this part is brown yellow compared to the rest of the car. That's about it. Right now, currently, I am pushing 366 to the wheel, 296 to the wheel torque. So it's 366 wheel horsepower, 296 wheel torque. I gain about 14 wheel horsepower and 4 wheel torque, adding the intake and the exhaust. So this is a pretty good gain. Boost went up I think about 1 PSI. Temperature was about the same. So I guess just with a little bit colder temperature and adding the two performance mods, the boost pressure went up. But I'm just going to take it for a quick spin, do a couple pulls for you guys. And I still have the stock tires. I do need to get tires. This thing just spins, so I'll probably just do a couple of third gear pulls, second gear pulls. I get no traction, so yeah. So I'm about to hop in the car and do a couple pulls for you guys.